Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap? Hold on, this is very urgent update. This is not a sleeping time. Please wake up. This is very urgent update for all of you, my brother. The all crypto market is completely falls down, especially from last 7 days, my friends. They are very badly falls down. But this is good news for all Pancakeswap holder, my friends. So you can see this time the change occur will be gonna be positive. The last 2 hour chart is gonna be positive. So it's mean, my friends, today wake up again now and they're starting go in the moon, my brother. Let's see. Let's predicate this coin to what's going on in the future. Can they moving upward or not? Can they will give you a profit at the end of month or not? Let's see. But before I get started this video, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribe our YouTube channel. So my brother, you can see a Pancakeswap from last, not just you can see this is the last 3 days chart, but not just last 3 days, my friends. They fell down for last 20 days, my brother. From last 20 days they completely falls down, and after that you can see for a long time, after a long time they take a jump. You can see here, so it's proof, and everybody understand to after a jump, my friend, after a fails they also take a very good jump. So exactly, my friends, after this fails they also take a very good jump. It's mean to the good time is soon, my friends, and if you are a holder, then absolutely this is very good. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my friends, the price will be going up. If you check out, my friends, this time every cryptocurrency is moving like that too. After a fails they take a jump, and after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So you can see this time they take a very good jump. It's mean, my friends, to they completely go in the moon, and every cryptocurrency is starting moving upward at the end of month. So therefore, especially when short-term investor he hold, then exactly, my friends, they go in the moon. So you need, if you are a long-term investor, then absolutely this is very good, my friend, and this is very good coin for a long-term investor. But definitely it's a good, my friends, for a short-term investors. So if you are a short-term investor, then please hold it for the end of this month. I hope if you sell it at the end of month, they will give you very good profit. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.